Shiva is a distributor. In fact, the largest distributor of EABL in Mombasa. Apart from that, they do distribution. That is cargo transfers.
What brings you here at Pokoloko?
This is Pokoloko, and this is somewhere in Nyali. Yes. Okay. So we are here to take some breakfast, good breakfast, of course, and do some training and set up at Shiva Distributors.
Vipi?
Papa.
Where are you from?
Shiva!
Okay, where are you headed?
Nairobi, back to Nairobi.
So what brings you to Mombasa?
JiPOS, Shiva, I just came for a meeting, and this work is beginning next week on Monday.
Okay.
Yeah, 1 week from today.
Roll out of an ERP.
Roll out of an ERP for Shiva.
What's up, bro?
Nyali Center.
Huh?
Just JiPOS. This time we are at Shiva. Shiva is just behind Nyali Center. So we are currently here for lunch and we proceed with JiPOS. Two solutions for fleet management and also for their stock control. That is the, how do you call it?
The beer.
Yeah, the beer stock control and beer sales. Just JiPOS, nothing else. Today is training on the truck solution, that is the spare parts and all that. And tomorrow we'll be training on JiPOS after we do set up an integration with Type-C device, in context Type-C carry device. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
That sounds a little bit more advanced. You're here to do some advanced jobs.
True.
Being our largest client this year, it was a thrilling yet exciting experience.
It all begins here, my friend, after feeding yourself with a lot of oboke. We came here to eat meat, but we have been served a small meat like this and a lot of oboke.
You're good.
Like we are goats. Anyway,
So in Mombasa, the first thing, if you come from Nairobi, is the heat challenge. Second challenge, of course, the people. Mombasa, they say, hakuna pressure. That means, unawapeleka pole pole, right? So remember, you have to do that at the same time, understand the client, understand the people you're dealing with. At the same time, always remain within the set time frame for the implementation.
guys, what do we expect for the day?
Good. So far today we are handling more of integration with KRA, testing, doing some testing and dry running, and that will be it for the day. Tupatane side.
Okay. Tupatane kwa ground.
We provide two solutions. One is a tailor-made solution, and that is for the transfer logistics of the cargo. With that, there were some aspects of customization on site. So that was also a little bit of a challenge, but then we managed to do the customizations appropriately within also just the 4 days that we had, and all was a success. So we also experienced success, and that is why we are here today, being one of our biggest clients this year. These were two solutions handling two diverse aspects, rolling out the system within 4 days. That was the biggest success. Something that also came with it is customization on site. Something that hardly or sometimes you hardly do, but of course, once in a while, especially if you're going for tailor-made solution that is extracted from JiPOS, we do it. That was the biggest success as well. It was a big success. Something that I can also add on to that is We are occupying Kenya, East Africa, and we'll be moving to South, North Africa, Central Africa after some time.
What are your moods saying? Huh? Things are just hitting dead. Eh? Is it called deadlock?
Sometimes it was just our system once.
It's a
You buy a
challenge.
vehicle, you adapt to how a vehicle works.
So
You don't start running while inside the vehicle.
we are at that point where we are having a user system conflict.
Yes.
But we're cracking heads to find the way out.
Yeah.
All right.
This particular experience has made us, of course, ready or more ready than we were before to handle, of course, such a big client or even a bigger client, right? First thing that we have to work with is being ready and open for such diversities, like, of course, slowness or people, slow operations. People maybe might be slow, or there is no pressure on the people that you have to handle, especially train and on board on the same system. We are also looking at, something like a customization if need be for a client. If agreed upon, we are ready to do that next time. And of course, we have also refined our rollout plan to make it at least work for any size of plant, be it a small plant or maybe a startup, a mid-sized business, a big business, and a very big business. I don't know how to call a very big business, but a huge business. And of course, in a multi-store setup where you have got several branches, you have refined that because that was the concept there. So we are ready for any size of plant currently. By occupying Nyali, Shiva, we ensure that the solution works or is used in 15 terminals, and that is stretching to Kilifi, and of course they are expanding to South Coast. A big success.
Good morning.
Yes, good morning.
How are you?
Fine, how are you?
I'm good. This is the second day or the third day?
Third day.
It's the morning.
So morning is Wednesday morning.
You thought you could leave Mombasa in 2 days.
I should be in Nairobi today.
What happened?
Just some hitches here and there. But so far, we are progressing well. Yeah. Yes.
What is expected today of today?
Just to complete integration with the Type C device at machine, that is in Cortex Type C device.
Okay.
And of course, just clear training on transport, and also proceed on boarding on the distribution aspect.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's fine. So yesterday was full of ups and downs, but we survived.
Yeah, it was a tough day. We not talk much about that, but yes,
It is part of the journey.
Yeah, there's up and downs, and we manage the ups and the downs, and so far so good. Yeah. They say hakuna mkate ngumu mbele ya chai.
Yeah, so we looking forward to a better day, a good day, a progressive day, a day full of milestones, and a very productive day. Nzuri. Tuko salama.
The system has been well built, and being that it is also scalable, right? It can suit, of course, diverse or different types of businesses, ranging or top leading is the hospitality industry, then distribution, and then we move on and on. Retail business is still just part of it. So it has been built with all the components, and what we expect is that you have one solution that will work for you run your business. And this particular great fear, especially for the business owners, which makes you always worry about how are things moving on when you're away from your business. JiPOS solves that particular problem. You put up or install the system, it is rolled out, and you have to, of course, get extra or more time doing other activities, spend time in the family, travel if your person likes traveling, and monitor your business wherever you are. Of course, having the assurance that the process flow and workflows and data and information is analyzed, kept safely, processed accurately. And if you have got any question or you need to do any audit, it's through a click of a button. No worries. We've been here for 4 days. It's been a success. Yeah, they've been good customers, and we've tailor-made the system to suit into their business. One thing you have to know, that means JiPOS is customizable, of course, to suit or solve your business problems. So far so good, and it's Friday, so we're just winding this up, and we are seeing them going live on 1st of October. That is this year, 2024. So follow us for more videos and keep it JiPOS everywhere across all businesses. Yeah, so this is JiPOS today. It was there yesterday, and looking into the future, it is still JiPOS in a bigger way and a better way. And we are not limited. Let me put it that way. Yeah. So the system will always evolve. Yeah, I don't say that what we have now will remain as it is. It will evolve. So expect even a better tomorrow with JiPOS.
Keep it here. See you in Naivasha next week. See you in Eldoret the same week, and see you across the country.